Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da video that I have gathered with the pictures that I took and the video that I made on TikTok and on my camera. It turned out to be 32 inches across. I used up 5 balls of the Walmart brand yarn, which I explain in the playlist. I create a playlist. There's 21 videos. And that turned out fantastic. Just love, 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 love the color. So I hope you like this short clip that I gathered. And you enjoyed making this piece with me. You guys take care. Have fun. Bye-bye.